Now, for the product of the roots, we have x of 1 times x of 2. So equals negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a times negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so the rule for this is to multiply the numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. So let's start with this. Negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac, then negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a times 2a, we have 4a squared. Now, let's focus in this expression since we have the numerator, okay? So, negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac times negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Since this is binomial and also a binomial, we can use the FOIL method. So, negative b times negative b, so it will gives you positive b squared. Okay, now for the last term, negative positive square root of b squared minus 4ac times negative b square root of b squared minus 4ac, so it will gives you negative b squared minus 4ac. Alright, now how about in the middle term? So let's see, since we have this one, negative b times square root of b squared minus 4ac, then the other one, negative b times negative square root of b squared minus 4ac. So this will become positive b square root of b squared minus 4ac. Now, as you have observed, we have different signs. So this will become 0. Okay? 0. So the remaining expression in the numerator will be this one. So since we have b squared minus b squared, so this is already cancelled. Now this is negative b, so cancel. Negative times negative, we have positive 4ac. So divide by, this is already your numerator here. Okay, so we have 4ac over 4a squared. So cancel this one. This is already 1, 1, 1, 1. So the remaining is c over a. So we have already x of 1 times x of 2 is equal to c over a. So that is the product of the roots.